Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start with grammar part of our English syllabus. English grammar we have completed I think so 5 lessons of textbook. That much is enough I think. And today we are going to start with the grammar lesson. The name of our lesson is the singular and plural. You know it very well. You are studying singular and plural from first standard. When you were in first standard, that time you were studying it as a one and many. Correct? In second standard you studied about singular and plurals. In third standard, in fourth standard, in third and fourth standard some rules were given how to make singular word into plural word. सिंग्युलर जो शब्द असतो तो प्लुरल मध्ये कसा कन्वर्ट करायचा त्याचे काही रूल्स असतात. ओके, I will just read for there are 2 examples. I will explain you those 2 examples and then we will study. There are 15 rules, okay, that I will explain you. Here it is the singular and plural. Your first one, the boy plays with a ball, a bat and a ball. What is sentence? A boy plays with a bat and a ball. Who is playing with a bat and a ball? When question is asked, who is playing with a bat and ball, what answer you will give? You will say a boy. What will be answer? A boy. A boy means what? A boy means singular. It is what? Singular, one single boy, right? And second example is given. Here is boys are playing cricket. Boys are playing cricket. Now how many boys are playing? More than one, right? If question is asked who is playing cricket, at that time what answer you will give? Boys. If question is asked who is playing cricket, then you will give boys are playing cricket. So boys, s is added, so what it is? It is plural. Understood? Here s is not added over here, so it is singular, and here s is added, so it is plural. Singular means one, plural means many. Okay. Now here it is told that when a noun shows one person, one place, one animal, one thing, it is called singular in number. Okay. When a noun shows one person, here it is sentence is given. When a noun shows one person, place, animal or thing, it is called singular in number. A boy means one boy, a bat means one bat, a ball means one ball, and that is called what? That all examples are singular examples, correct? A bat, okay, a boy, a bat, a ball, they are what? Single म्हणजे काय? One. So they are what? Singular nouns. And when we speak about plurals, here it is told that when the noun shows more than one person, when a noun shows more than one person, place, animal or thing, it is plural in number. Okay, एकापेक्षा जास्त. Boys means what? More than one boy. Stumps, here examples are, here stumps are there. Okay, stumps means what? More than one stump. एकापेक्षा जास्त. जे एकापेक्षा जास्त असतात त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण इंग्लिश मध्ये? प्लुरल्स. आणि जे एक असतं त्याला काय म्हणतो इंग्लिश मध्ये आपण? सिंग्युलर. ओके, keep in mind singular and plurals. Now how plurals are formed? There are so many examples given here. There are rules. First rule, second, third, fourth, fifth. We will study this first 5 rules today. Okay. Now here it is told that by adding s to the singular, let it be some words. There are some words which are very normal words and they are becoming or they are formed plurals by adding s. For example, first one, by adding s. Okay. So examples are what? For example, book. Okay. Second example, girl. Third example, hand. Okay. Fourth example, place. So what we have to do here? We have to only add s. Books, girls. What we do? We only add s. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Place, place, s. Some plurals are formed only by adding s. That is first rule. The second rule is told that by adding es to the singular words ending with x, s, sh and ch. Now there are some words which are ending with letters. There are some singular words, they are ending with which letters? They are ending with x, s, sh and ch. जे शब्द ह्या लेटर्सनी एंड होतात, एंड म्हणजे काय, शेवटचा लेटर एक तर एक्स असतो, एस असतो, एस एच असतो किंवा सी एच असतो. ओके, नाउ सम एक्झाम्पल्स आर देयर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फॉक्स. ओके, एक्स, राइट, एस, ड्रेस. नाउ एस एच, BRUSH, brush, and CH, BUNCH, bunch. Okay, now when the words are ending with X letter, when the words are ending with S letter, when the words are ending with SH letter and the words ending with CH letter, then what we have to do? We have to add ES. काय जोडायचं आहे त्याच्या एंडिंगला? ES. कधी? ज्यावेळेस आपण त्याला प्लुरल करतो, वेन वी आर चेंजिंग और वेन वी फॉर्म इट इंटू द प्लुरल फॉर्म, दॅट टाइम वी हॅव टू ॲड व्हॉट? ES. सो फॉक्स, फॉक्सेस, ES. ड्रेस, ड्रेसेस, ES. ब्रश, BRUSHES, brushes. Bunch, BUNCHES, bunches. Understood? Fox, foxes, dress, dresses, brush, brushes, and bunch, bunches. Understood? The words which are ending with X, S, SH and CH, for such words we have to add ES to form which word? प्लुरल वर्ड. ओके, ज्यावेळेस आपण त्याला प्लुरलमध्ये चेंज करणार आहे, प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये त्याचं कन्वर्ट करणार आहे त्याला, त्यावेळेस त्याला काय जोडायचे? ES जोडायचे. कोणते शब्द? जे शब्द एक्स, CH, SH आणि एसनी एंड होतात. ओके, दॅट इज अवर सेकंड रूल. नाउ थर्ड रूल इज सिंग्युलर नाउन्स एंडिंग इन O also form plurals by adding ES. Now in this what we have to do? We have to add O also. Okay, there are some words which are ending with O. For such words also what we have to do? We have to add ES. For example, buffalo, buffalo. Okay, one buffalo, many buffaloes. So BUFFALOES. What we have added? We have added ES. So what that word has formed? The word has formed is buffaloes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Okay, cargo, cargos. CARGO, cargo, cargos. There are many words. Cargo, cargos. Hero, heroes. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Everywhere what is added? ES. लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, जे शब्द नॉर्मल असतात त्याला फक्त आपण एस ॲड करतो. जे शब्द एक्स, ओ, एस, SH, CH नी एंड होतात अशा शब्दांना आपण काय जोडायचं आहे? ES जोडायचं आहे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज, but there are some words which are ending with O, but then we are not adding ES to them. Like examples are piano. Okay, for example, kilo. So when we are changing 1 kilo into plural, it becomes kilos only by adding S. Okay, second one is photo. For photo also we are adding only S. Piano, piano is what instrument? We are adding only S. Radio, it is ending with O, but we are adding only S. And solo, for solo also if you want to change it into plural form, we are only adding S. Understood? This is what these are some rules you have to keep in mind. हे शब्द तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवा लागतील. ओके, किलो, पियानो, देन फोटो, रेडिओ, सोलो, या अशा शब्दांना काय करायचं आहे, फक्त एस जोडायचं आहे. ओके. फोर्थ वन इज बाय चेंजिंग वाय इनटू IES. Plurals are formed by changing y in and adding IES. Okay, changing y into IES. For example, DUTY, duty, हा शब्द कशाने एड होतोय, y. So what if it is singular, it is single one duty, and if I want to tell about many, then it will become duties. y काढायचा आणि IES जोडायचा. Understood? Have you understood? Some more words are there. Lady, LADY, lady. The word lady is ending with y. What? Which letter? Y letter. So when we will change y to IES, then what word it will become? LADIES. What it is? It is ladies. Understood? Some more examples are there. Story, STORY, story. Change y into IES. When you will change y into IES, what it will change to? It will become STORIES, stories. Understood? In this way, we have studied first 4 rules of plural formation, how to change singular word to the plural word. Some more examples are there, some more rules are there that I will explain you in tomorrow's period, and then we will complete this lesson as much as possible. Okay, are you understanding? Have you understood or not what I am saying? If we are completing only 2 lessons of English grammar, no problem, but we are going to go in detail. In detail we are going to study all rules. Understood? This much is enough for today. Remaining part I will explain you tomorrow. Thank you.